Have you ever imagined a world without cars? Beyond a normal mean of transportation, cars have played a big role in moving the world around and improving the quality of our life. However, the environmental problems caused by cars has become a problem that we need to worry about and solve. Because of that, the world is making great efforts to make eco-friendly cars. Hold on. The indoor environment in which we breathe is as important as eco-friendly cars. A system that circulates pleasant air from the outside to the inside of the car, as well as from the inside to the outside, is called an air conditioning system. Most of the air conditioning ducts used in automobile air conditioning systems are made of 100% PP plastic and have a thickness of 0.5 millimeters to 0.8 millimeters. In addition, the structure is composed of a sponge that serves as a shock relief and a synthesizer for insulation noise prevention. So the process is complicated and the manufacturing cost is high. In order to solve this problem, MMIT has developed a flexible, lightweight duct by applying a new technology. This new technology takes advantages of knittle, which uses a non-woven fabric or microfiber, a lighter material than conventional plastic. Our air conditioning duct is highly applicable to air conditioning systems because it's possible to form an air layer that can prevent dew condensation by sawing method, thereby reducing claims due to dew condensation. Existing plastic air conditioning products use organic adhesives, which are harmful to the respiratory tract. However, our product is an eco-friendly air conditioning duct, which is expected to increase the demand for products by dealing with existing products' problems. For eco-friendly electric cars, it's very important to lighten the car to improve fuel efficiency. Our air conditioning duct, which has the advantage of being lightweight, is a necessary system in the future car market. In the future, we're developing a technology that notifies the driver of ventilation and maintenance by detecting dust and moisture in mobility duct through sensors. We, MMIT, will continue to satisfy customer needs with eco-friendly material technology in order to supply clean air to future automobiles. Thank you.